What's up? Good morning, everybody. Kaylor here with Elite Trading, making sure that we're here giving you that pre-market prep every day right here, 9 a.m. Come in, hit that like button. I hope the music's not too loud. I think I adjusted things correctly, so if you're watching, drop a comment on the YouTube. Let me know. Make sure that you can hear me good. Make sure that I'm not overwhelming you with too much music there. So we want to make sure that you guys are getting the quality that you receive or that you're looking for when you come in here. So please reach out to us if you want us to add anything to the pre-market show. We've got the newsletter coming up here shortly. We're going to talk about NFTs, non-fungible tokens, why they're important to us, and why we think that maybe you should probably research and do a little bit of DD on what an NFT is. So without further ado, let me jump into the Elite Trading newsletter, get you guys started. So good morning, get ready traders, let's go. All right, we got the Elite Trading newsletter, 3/15/2021. Quote of the day: you never know what kind of setup the market will present to you. Your objective should be to find an opportunity where risk-reward ratio is best. Jamin Shayu. We have bulls today: U, RBLX, AMD, FCX, BAC, and we have on the bears list Facebook, Apple, Zoom, and Work. Now, what we're talking about when we see these, I want to make sure if you're a new listener, for one, smash, kick, punch that like button as you come in. Make sure you guys show the support. It helps us out with the algorithm. Let's go. So when I say bears and bulls, what this means are that if you're bullish on something, that means that you think it's going to be on an upward trend. If you're bearish, you're going to think it's going to have a downward trend. But sometimes when we post these, they may have already been on a bearish trend. You want to be able to analyze and see that, and then you can find maybe a possible dip buy because these have been in a bearish trend, but there can also be a reversal. Anytime there's a bearish trend, 9 times out of 10, they don't go to zero. They come back a little bit and bring back some of that previous rally to the downside. So keep watching and keep understanding what that is with us. If you want to learn more about that, make sure you get into our server and we can chat and do some live training with you. Daily news: major indices were on a rise during the early pre-market hours after seeing new highs last week. And Genmark Diagnostics, GNMK Genmark, will be bought by Swiss drug maker Roche for $1.8 billion in cash, or 24.05 cents per share. $24.05 per share, sorry. Shares of the US-based molecular diagnostic test maker had closed at $18.50 per share on Friday and then surged almost 30% in the pre-market action. Volkswagen will hold a battery-focused Power Day event this morning and have earnings tomorrow. Watching Volkswagen, NXP Semiconductors, NXPI, Penn National Gaming, and Generac Holdings, GNRC, and Caesars Entertainment are set to join the S&P 500 before the open on March 22nd. Some trading tips: don't buy into the risk, understand liquidity, and learn the basics for reading charts. Currently on the watch list, we have SPCE, EBON, GM, MIDD, EQNR. Appreciate you guys always coming in here with Elite Trading. Thanks for being a part of this newsletter. And if you're going to stick around, let's learn about NFTs. Let's check out some charts and let's see what we've got on the radar today. All right, we're going to bring you guys back to me real quick. You get to see my pretty face. All right, so what we're going to bring up for you are the charts. We do this for you. We show levels. Keep in mind, these are all our opinions. This is strictly just a guy telling you what I'm looking at in the market. We have a group of people that help bring together a lot of information, and we work together as hard as we can to find different areas for opportunity and ways to extract alpha from the market. We're trying to create some income for ourselves to where we no longer have to work for anyone else. I have done that for myself. I'm here to help you guys out as well. So hopefully you guys can follow along and learn some key tools to help you generate a little extra income when it comes to trading options and things of that nature when you come into the trading server and learning about creating income through options, buying and selling. So we have on the charts today, we're going to pull them up for you right now. So boom. All right, first one we're looking at today is AMC, pre-market up 94 cents. Breaking out here, it's creating a double top, so be careful. You want it to break past the 1247 level. If it doesn't break past this 1247, then you could see maybe some retracement back down to these solid support levels, and then they maybe even down to that 10 again. But between there, you have $11 standing out pretty prominent, possibly right in this area. You could see some momentum to the downside if you break through, but people like this one. They're buying it. I was in it. We made some moves on it, and we're still trying to we still have some people in the group that are holding long on AMC, and shout out to T Biggie. He has not given up the fight. Let's go with DAL, Delta Airlines, up in the pre-market 77 cents. People like this reopening trade, guys, so watch for the reopening plays to continue to balance out here. TripAdvisor, let's see if Trip's up. Let's see what's all up here. Typically when you find these trends, they all kind of go together. These are where you'll have some relationship trades. So in the pre-market, you have Trips up. Let's see if CCL is up. 44 cents. RCL up $1.28. So now let's go to your big tech companies. Tesla down 223 early in the pre-market. Apple down. Well, I figured it'd be down, but it's at 45 cents in the green. So, nothing to brag about there. Staying in that range of 120 to 122. Can't get away from itself here. Let's see. Zoom down 19 cents. Work 15 cents. So you find these trends. You find these things that can happen, and they make it to where it finds a way for you to find some opportunities in the markets where you can find relationships and understand that there's places that you can make some money on. So if you guys are in here, I see some chat members. I'll pull up some tickers if you want to. We were looking at you. Make sure you drop any stock symbols that you were looking at, or if you're purchasing, if you want me to pull up some levels on them to show you where I see some key resistance or possible support levels. Pre-market up 121 on you, and this one looks like it. I don't want to say it's out of gas, but be careful when you're coming in on things that have rallied. You want to be looking for the dips, not the rips. So place this at the 108.95. Man, I can't believe it got all the way up there. So want it to hold this level. If we get some pullback in the market, we're going to want it to hold that 105.78. Currently trading at 107. How about Roblox? Up 22 cents. Found some consolidation here. Watch out for the market. If the market tries to go down a little bit, you might see some slight downside, or this might give yourself a nice little move up to the upside because people have already had the hype go out. The people that wanted to get in got in early. Now you've got the ones that have been sitting back waiting to find good entry. I'm one of those people, have not traded this ticker yet. I will be looking for an entry that makes sense to me, and I see some potential upside from anybody, but there's people caught up in this trade from here all the way down. So let's see if we can get back some of that down volume here and maybe possibly come back into the mid 70s. So I'll be looking at Roblox. FCX, I like them. Been bullish on FCX for a while, ever since they were down in that 27 range. Yeah, so we had 14, and then they went to 24, and then when they came up here, brought back down to 26, 27 range. Boom, got that big pull to the upside. So long-term one here, I like this long-term. This one's a good one for me, and I believe in this one. So you won't hear that from me very often. I usually like to trade, get in and out. I'm known for taking the profits way too early, but I like green. So that's what I got for the charts today. Let's go live one more time here. So, we were talking about NFTs and why we're getting into them, and I think that this is something that you want to know about as a non-fungible token. It's basically for the business people mindset out there. It's a cryptographic token, so this is something that you can actually sell online. It's it has identifying factors that make them unique, that make it to where you as the person, as the creator, can own a moment or an art, a digital art, and you can sell it to somebody else who might see value in the long term for, or even short term for what you're selling. They might see value in the idea that you had. And some of these guys are selling portfolios for $26 million, for $330,000 for small pieces of art, and it's going to be a big move. If you ask anybody right now, they probably don't know what it is. So nine out of 10 people I've asked have not known what it is until I've actually explained it a little bit, and they go, "Oh, I've heard of that." Well, don't be the one that said, "Hey, I didn't hear about that," because you're hearing about it now on Elite Trading, and if you are hearing it for the first time about NFTs and you don't know what I'm talking about and you're now going to go search it, hit that like button, make sure you hit that share. We'll get you some more information like this out there and teach you how to use them. We have a full team that's going to be building NFTs. We're going to be selling them. We're going to be creating portfolios. So if you want to get involved, you want to know more, jump in and learn from us. We got something going here. It's going to be a big deal. So we're not just doing one thing here at Elite Trading. We do a lot more than just one thing. So come in and see what we're about and enjoy the growth with our team. And we appreciate you guys coming here every morning. If you have any ideas for us, like I said, please shout out to us. Let us know what you want us to add to this. And we appreciate you coming in. Stay in the green, my friends. I will see you in the live server right now. We're going to do some live trading, live audio, live video, showing charts, talking about ideas together in a group setting, privately. Very private, very comfortable. So if you want to come in, jump in with us, and we'll see you in there. Stay in the green. Stay blessed. I'll see you soon. This is Elite Trading Pre-Market Prep 3/15/2021. We'll see you tomorrow morning, 9 a.m., same place, every day.